how can you make this beautiful handle? It's a lot of question lately. I have an answer for you. Let's go! Hello guys, my name is King Rusdi, Kuramaker from Malaysia, and today, special day, I will teach you on how to make a handle for your own katana. As you can see, the katana has 3 parts. Wait, I'm gonna take the katana over there. Let's go. So this katana has 3 parts. One is the beautiful blade. Second is the tsuba. This is using wood. Third is a beautiful handle. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to make this, and then maybe you guys have interested more about how I make the katana. Please comment it below, and if a lot of people wanted to, I will make eventually the whole series on only making katana. So be sure to, before we're going to start, be sure to subscribe, like, and tag your friends if your friends have some interest in making the katana too. And of course, yeah, we're gonna start. Let's go. So now you will need to trace out your katana through your wood that you have. That I use now is 10 mm thick wood, and you must have some holes to fit into the katana that you trace into, and start making the length that follows the katana. You can search for it at Google, of course, and continue with using a moto saw to cut it. This is optional though. You can use any cutter for your katana itself. And after you cut it, you must test out your katana of the handle so it can fit on your piece of the handle itself. So after that, you can continue on the EVA foam 5 mm. You can trace it and glue it side by side, as you can see in my video. And of course, using a CA glue, contact adhesive, for smear it all at the EVA foam and let it dry, and just glue it through. After you glue it through, of course, you need it to be sanded off all the parts of the katana and the EVA foam itself, because the handle is somehow rounded shape. It's not the square shape, it's a rounded shape that from the katana itself. So as you can see, we cut it through as much as we can. We let it dry and put it in between that, and you can continue on the sanding part. I use orbital sanding tools for it to make it more nicer. So now as you can see, it's as its look. And we can continue the part of the race skin. I use DIY, that is sandpaper, a high grade sandpaper, so it can be look like a race skin. After that, trace it at the sandpaper itself and start to cut it and glue it on your handle. It's not wrapping though, it's just glue it side by side. And now I use PVC leather that I have a leftover at my home, and just glue it on, because I don't have any specific wrapping for the katana itself, so I make it DIY. And of course, we have more detailed video about handle wrapping, so you can click there for more in-depth detail on how I wrap it, on how I do the leather wrapping thing. And now we're going to make the butt cap of the katana itself, because this is what I think that I would do, because it's really hard to make a specific katana looking somehow. This is the main thing, DIY, that I can do it. on my own. So as you can see, I make it more detailed, and the bottom part of the katana, I use 20 mm thickness and make it rounded, and it will be something like this. And then I will spray it off in the color that I wanted and start gluing at the back of the katana handle using a 3-second glue. This is optional too. You can use hot glue or any glue that will stick it through that, and then you can try it on. You have a suba and the blade, likewise 3 parts, and voila, the handle, something like this. It's beautiful, and you will drill out. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, and share this video if it's helped you in the future. Bye bye.